How to log in Deutsche Bank customer accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your customer account of Deutsche Bank. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in www.deutschebank.co.in. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, you will see an option that says Client Login. Click onto it. Once done, you will see a small interface on your left-hand side. Here, simply type in your login ID, then type in your password at the box below, and just like so, click on to login. In case you have forgotten your password, click on to Forgot Password. There you can get help resetting your account. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Deutsche Bank account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.